Hey.
Hello, my name is Carlitos Zepeda, and click the subscribe button and leave a like and do a notification down below. And I'm sorry that I didn't make videos in a few weeks. Now this time I'm gonna make a video.
Okay. What is it called?
I know, and it's called. And this is called Super Heli Glow by Guava juice.
And your name is? What is your name? And you're gonna help your brother? Okay. Okay. Stand back and sit, and then you'll be next. Let me see. Want me to help you with that?
Yeah.
And this is from what? From guava juice?
Yeah, that's what everybody says.
So this is it. And there's a button below, and it's gonna light up. It's gonna look fake.
I hope it doesn't hit me.
Okay.
Ah! No!
Okay. I'm gonna turn. You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. And make sure it's gonna land in your hand. Okay. Pick it up. It's gonna land in your. Whoa. Whoa. Whose turn is it? It's Penelope's turn. All right. Penelope Zepeda. And Penny is next. Come on, Penny. Leave it on for her. You ready, Penny? You better watch your hair. There goes. It gets your hair and you're gonna cry. Ready? Yes, it is. Ready? Move Juan Carlos out of the way.
It's supposed to be. Oh. Sorry.
Okay, try again. Grab it. Watch your hair. Don't watch your hand. Don't get too close. Don't get too close. Yes, let's try. Hold on. We'll fix it right now.
No, it's gonna hit Daddy.
Watch your head.
Oh.
Whoa, that was crazy. Okay. Here.
I wanted to do like brother did.
Okay, get over here.
Sorry. I know what he did and then I know.
Okay, here. Hold it. Put it in your palm. And watch your hair. You ready? Sure you do. Like that. Just like that. Despacito. Just like that. Despacito. Good girl. Watch your hair. Don't push it up. Whoa. You're okay? Okay, let Daddy try it now. I told you guys to be careful. Here. Let me do it now. You record me so I can show everybody how to do it.
Record you.
Ready?
Yeah.
Penelope, you want to look? So you can learn? Look.
Wait.
Look at me. Look at me. Penelope, look.
No.
Penelope, look. Look at me. Huh? Look. This is how long you got to do it. Come over here with me so I can help you. Look. Nobody's looking.
The camera's looking. Not.
Watch it.
Oh no! Oh, it's lighting up.
And then when you want it to
Get that not close to me.
come down to your hand, there's a secret button, right? Look.
Just give me again.
You gonna try it again?
I'm going to do pranks on people now with the button.
Look.
No.
Look. You hold it like this. Listen. You hold it like this, and then we let it go despacito. And then we just put our hand under it like that. Slowly under it. And we move out of the way. And if I want it to land in my hand, I say, stop! Land in my hand, please. Okay, now turn off.
What? Turn off. No, you did it with the button.
I'm going to put it for you right here.
The button right there.
Okay. Say, that's it. We'll play with it right now.
That's it with the video.
Subscribe.
I want to sit like that.
And like the...
And like the video.
And we'll play with something later.
And we're gonna do another video later.
Peace out. That.